Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we will be making sabayad with potato. You're gonna start off by mashing some boiled and peeled potatoes.
In the morning when we wake,
I then add 2 tablespoons of rosemary seeds and black pepper. I also add half a cup of Greek yogurt. Then I add 2 cups of flour, half a cup of powdered milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 cups of warm water, and mix it up.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. With everything we do, Bismillah, Bismillah. With everything that's new, Bismillah, Bismillah. With every place we go, Bismillah, Bismillah. And every friend we know, Bismillah, Bismillah. Ooh, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
I then section my dough off into little balls.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
I then add my potato mixture into the little balls and then I roll them out.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
I then cook it on each side for 8 minutes at medium to low heat.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget thumbs up, like, and share. Bye.